Hey guys, what's up? So Samsung has announced the Galaxy Note 20 in the Unpacked event today, but that hasn't stopped the leaks about the next Samsung flagship, the Galaxy S21. So we know that Samsung is working on the under-display camera solution for quite some time now, and it was expected that they will debut it on the Galaxy S20 or the Note 20, but that clearly hasn't happened. It is assumed that the Galaxy S21 will have this tech as it was not ready for the Note 20, but according to Ross Young, even the Galaxy S21 won't have the under-display selfie camera and might stick with a punch-hole camera solution just like the Note 20. The under-display selfie camera is the next design shift expected in smartphones, and all of the major smartphone manufacturers are trying hard to be the first in implementing this tech in their phones. However, none have been able to achieve it yet except for a few concepts. Samsung is expected to be one of the first companies to adopt it, but with this info, it seems like Samsung isn't ready to take any risks with the S21. Samsung wants to perfect the in-display selfie camera tech before implementing it in its high-end Galaxy S flagship. That being said, there's still time for the Galaxy S21 launch, and we may still see it debut on the S21 series if the tech matures in time. Apart from the under-display selfie camera, the Galaxy S21 is expected to get the Exynos 1000 SoC with AMD GPU that might finally be able to compete with its Snapdragon counterpart in terms of the GPU and heat management. The performance disparity between the Exynos 990 and the Snapdragon 865 has left a bad impression about Exynos chips, and Samsung needs to get the Exynos 1000 right if it wants to keep using it in its lineup. Moving on, we also have the first look at the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, which looks a lot like the Galaxy S10 Lite, but the bezels look a little thicker. The phone has an Infinity O panel up front with a Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display and will be available in a bunch of colors including white, light violet, green, orange and red. The S20 Fan Edition is expected to have a 120Hz refresh rate just like the Galaxy S20 series, which appears to be the USP of the device. Other specs may include a Snapdragon 865 SoC, a 4500 mAh battery and a camera setup similar to the S20 sans the 64MP telephoto that will be replaced by an 8MP camera with a 3x optical zoom. The phone may also have an IP rating for dust and water resistance, which would be a welcome addition. It is expected to be sold for around $750. That's it for this video. Do share your opinions on the S21 missing out on the under-display camera solution. Also smash the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.